Imagine a future where AI isn't just generating text or images for humans. It's actively running businesses, negotiating contracts, and collaborating on complex projects. Not with humans, but with other AIs autonomously. And here's the kicker. For these interactions, they might soon be using cryptocurrency to pay each other. This isn't just a hypothetical. It's a rapidly approaching reality that will fundamentally reshape our economy. You're probably thinking, wait, AIs need to pay each other? Why can't they just exchange data? And crypto? Isn't that just for speculative trading or maybe buying digital art? It sounds almost absurd, like something out of a sci-fi movie that skipped over the economics. Many people struggle to see the practical necessity of AIs needing their own form of payment in the real world. The idea of a robot paying another robot with digital money seems like an unnecessary layer of complexity, but understanding why this is becoming crucial is key to grasping the future of both AI and digital finance. Currently, if an AI wants to hire another AI for a task, say, analyzing a massive dataset, they face a huge problem. Traditional centralized systems like your bank or a typical cloud server just aren't built for this kind of fluid, autonomous interaction. Imagine an AI needing to verify if another AI actually completed a task, or how to guarantee payment without a human in the loop. Trust, payment verification, and clear ownership of digital services become massive roadblocks in a fully autonomous AI economy. Centralized platforms, despite their current utility, create bottlenecks and single points of failure for AI to AI service exchange. They require intermediaries, which introduces fees, delays, and a lack of true autonomy for the AI agents themselves. This is where the magic of decentralized AI platforms comes in, leveraging the very technology behind cryptocurrencies. Companies like fetch.ai and SingularityNet are leading the charge, building entire ecosystems where AI agents can find each other, offer services, and yes, pay each other. They envision a world where your smart home's AI could hire an energy grid optimization AI, which in turn hires a weather prediction AI. Each transaction would be automatic, verifiable, and run without human oversight. And the payment mechanism at the heart of these emerging AI economies: cryptocurrency. It might sound futuristic, but it's happening right now, in various stages of development. Blockchain smart contracts provide the perfect technical framework for these automated agreements between disparate AI entities. Think of a smart contract as a self-executing digital agreement where the terms are directly written into code. Once the conditions are met, for example, an AI completing a data analysis task, the payment is automatically released. This eliminates the need for trust between unknown AI agents because the code itself enforces the agreement. It's trustless in the best sense of the word, meaning you don't need to trust a third party, only the transparent code. Cryptocurrencies are uniquely suited for this because they are native digital assets designed for digital transactions. They enable automated, verifiable microtransactions that would be cumbersome and expensive with traditional banking systems. Imagine AIs making thousands of tiny payments per second for small computational tasks, data access, or algorithm usage. Traditional payment rails simply can't handle that scale, or the low transaction costs needed for such an AI economy. Moreover, cryptocurrencies embody true digital ownership, allowing an AI to own its own funds and manage its own economic destiny. It's a foundational step towards truly autonomous and scalable AI agent economies. Experts in AI ethics and blockchain development increasingly suggest that native digital currencies are not just a nice-to-have, but a necessary component. Without them, the vision of AIs collaborating, specializing, and creating value on a global scale would remain limited by our current financial infrastructure. This isn't just about AIs making payments to each other. It directly impacts your future, whether you're an investor, a developer, or simply living in this rapidly evolving world. If AI agents begin to form their own economies, generating and exchanging value, it will fundamentally alter future job markets. New roles will emerge focused on designing, monitoring, and regulating these AI to AI interactions, while others might shift or even become obsolete. For investors, understanding this convergence of AI and crypto is critical. It opens up entirely new investment strategies in projects building the infrastructure for these AI economies, or the cryptocurrencies that power them. The fundamental structure of the global economy could see a paradigm shift, creating new forms of value exchange we can barely imagine today. Think about how remittances work today, or international trade. Now imagine it scaled down to AI microtransactions across borders at lightning speed. If this all sounds complex or new, don't worry. The pace of innovation at the intersection of AI and blockchain is dizzying. It's not your fault if these connections weren't immediately obvious. The landscape is changing by the day. But now, you have a foundational understanding of this evolving AI crypto landscape. This knowledge empowers you to inform your investment decisions, adapt to upcoming economic shifts, and proactively engage in discussions about future technological and regulatory frameworks. The future isn't just about how AIs will change human jobs. It's about how AIs will work with and pay each other. And understanding this now gives you a significant edge in navigating the exciting and sometimes daunting